Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Choi Tae-joon and Park Shin-hye fortune harmony analysis. Choi Tae-joon and Park Shin-hye's request for fortune harmony analysis has been received. They had something in common even though their fortune structure was different. There were many elements that could appeal to each other. Let's analyze it together. Choi Tae-joon is a big mountain in fortune. Rather than being tied to small things in the world, big mountains like to live in high places beyond them. And it has the characteristic that gives people trust and becomes the center point everywhere. He has a strong position with the letters meaning popularity. And he is very affectionate because of his alliance. Park Shin-hye is a big tree in her fortune. A big tree always wants to grow and be the first. There are letters that mean popularity and charm at the same time. And she is affectionate because she has a coalition. Big mountains and big trees go well together. Big mountains can generously accept the greedy heart of big trees. So let's look at their detailed harmony. Choi Tae-joon has strong letters that mean honor, although it strengthens input energy by combining it with input energy. It exists right next to the letter that refers to itself, giving it very fast decision making and rapid action. The letter honor means that he has a certain standard of living. Immediately, energy flows into input energy, providing energy with letters that have the same energy as themselves. Input energy means learning or mother, but also warm capacity to embrace people. And the energy is flowing straight into the letters that mean art. This structure, which is adjacent to the letters meaning honor and art, is creative and has a unique way of thinking that is different from others because it also has a view of the other side of things. Just below the letter that means himself is his perception of spouse. Choi Tae-joon wants his spouse to be a strong image that leads him. And honor means a child to a man. And it also means a good relationship between a child and the mother because they are united with input energy. It also means that the family will be prosperous. Park Shin-hye has a strong ego, so she has a strong drive and self-esteem. Choi Tae-joon likes a woman with a strong image, but she has a strong personality that Choi Tae-joon will like, and it immediately leads to art and wealth. So there is a good structure as a celebrity, and there is also a letter that corresponds to honor. Park Shin-hye has a good temperament as a celebrity, but she has a good fortune structure to make her name known. It's a good structure with wealth and honor. Park Shin-hye is also a very quick decision-making structure, so they won't be frustrated when they meet. And right below the letter Park Shin-hye means herself is her perception of her spouse. And she wants a spouse like a friend. Choi Tae-joon has a strong input energy, so he can embrace people well. And he is generous because he is big mountain. But I think he will treat her well as a very comfortable friend. If it's just a disadvantage, it's a bit disappointing that Choi Tae-joon doesn't have any letters for women. But I wanted to give them 91% of the score because they have a good fortune combination. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.